Welcome to another presentation at the East Trade Winds, a chapter of the World Referral Network, hosted by Bernie Franzgrote and Wayne Pratt. The presentation today is titled Connecting Minds at Hive, a professional networking experience. Our guest is Mohamed Faris from Hive. Faris is a visionary leader at Hive, where he spearheads a vibrant community for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and remote professionals across Canada and globally. His commitment to fostering a collaborative environment is evident through Hive's diverse offerings, which include flexible workspaces, professional development workshops, and robust networking events. Faris's strategic acumen and dedication to innovation are instrumental in creating a space where professionals can flourish by enhancing their work efficiency and forging meaningful connections within the business community.
We're at Hive. We are a business professional club, and I'm going to go over what at Hive is and what's in store for you folks. An idea popped up a few years ago from our founding team about creating a space for people to come together, people like-minded individuals with business professional background, business executives, where they can meet online and on site. And from there, developed a mission to help these people across the country. At Hive, we serve our membership club across country and globally, and we support our members by helping them through their work life, by connecting, finding a community, growing. We all talked about meeting new people and learning and that continual learning process and realizing that learning is something that you do lifelong. And innovation, again, from our founding team, innovation and tech has been a priority in everything that we do, and we see it in a very futuristic lens. And then moving on within Out Hive, we are governed by four principles, right? Our first principle, work, our pillar is work. But then part of it is we want to enhance and elevate your work life within the physical space or within the virtual space. And then connection. We want you, our members, to meet with new people, to enhance your network. Just today itself, I had an opportunity to meet with so many people from different professional backgrounds. And At Hive is able to provide that the medium to our events or workshops. Learn, as I mentioned, we want people to keep learning and expanding and find out and learn about a lot of different things. That's not just their industry specific, but more broader. Within balance, I think it's so important these days to have a good work-life balance. We all promise ourselves that we're going to balance, but at Hive, we enforce it in a way that it automatically, you're able to do that through our relaxation nooks or our on-site restaurant and cafe at Bistro, which I'll talk about in a second. So within all our four pillars comes our pillars that govern at Hive. Like I mentioned, we are a membership club, where means we provide a membership experience for our members, and they can happen through a lot of different ways. And we'll talk about it: meeting with new people, professional development, networking, collaboration, learning about new things, insights and trends, member-specific benefits depending on tiers, and a place that basically everyone can come together and share. Speaking about membership, so they will have a bunch of tiers and options for folks starting off with our basic tier. We have a starter tier. It's our annual membership. We have the different tiers. The starter tier is $39.95 for a year, and you get two promo codes that are worth $30 that you can use towards benefits within our space. We'll talk about the space and how you could use your benefits. And within the core benefit, you have almost the most similar benefits that you have from the starter one, but instead we have a credit system or an auto load system, essentially, where you get $30 worth every month to your account in your core membership, and within your premium membership, you get $60. And what you can do with these is you can use it towards events, you can use it towards space booking, and additionally, you also have discounts in our spaces. Whenever you book a room or whatever, the discounts are applicable only for core and premium membership. So take note of that. And you can use those benefits towards the services and our on-site facility amenities, and the paid ones. And also at Bistro, you can use it towards when you purchase your food. Moving on, within the membership realm, we have our membership community. So you're able to meet people from your own membership tier or broader, depending on different options. Our membership community is able to meet online and in person, events, and other learning opportunities. We have a marketplace option, which is only for our corporate accounts. So additional to your membership, you can purchase a corporate account. And through that, you're able to have access to the marketplace, which is basically that you're able to showcase your products, your service, your offerings, whatever your business has to offer in a much more visible place. And it puts you into a spotlight. Speaking of spotlight, we have something called member spotlights. We want our members to be all glorified through their successes, their achievements, and their stories. I think it's so important for us. Again, like we said, membership club members lead the way, and we want to showcase everything that they're doing and their projects. So they also get that visibility amongst the community, and so you also have the opportunity to know who Hive members are. Continuing, like we said, within your membership tiers, core and premium specific, you have credits. If you're a starter member, you can also purchase credits. And what you can do with these credits is you can book space. One of our offerings that we provide for our members is an on-site facility. So one of our on-site facilities is in Ottawa. So if you're within the area, you can come stop by and use one of our spaces. And we have different options depending on your team preference, your individual preference. We have a collaborative space that occupies about 15 workstations, and we have multiple private and team offices depending on what your occupancy requirement is. And then we have meeting rooms, we have a conference room, we have a huddle room, and creator studio. So I know a bunch of folks are into that space. So if you're into podcast recording, videography, photography, and you want to do some post-production editing and stuff. So we have a creative studio that's equipped with the technology for you to do so. Additionally, our space is able to host events. So if you have any event that you wish to host, you can absolutely use our space. You can use it towards booking your event, Christmas party, office party, any sort of social gathering. You're able to do. Moving forward, other stuff that we offer within our space, we have a lot of amenities, some paid, some free. For our members, we've got parking, we've got a relaxation nook, comes with the balance pillar. We have an on-site massage chair that's really good with a bunch of settings, so you can play with it. We have an on-site shower, part of our universal bathrooms during the summers or even during the winters or whatever. If you're biking or you want to take a shower before work or after, that's an amenity for our members. We have a kitchenette for folks to make tea, coffee, store their lunch. We have smart interactive screens and boards for our members to use from through our different rooms. And additionally, we have a 3D printer on site, additional charge. You can use your credits towards all of that purchases, print and scan, bistros there. And coming up soon is our electric vehicle charging station and the ability to customize your monitor sizes or stuff, depending on your own preferences. Continuing, there's also options for virtual office. This is an option that we provide for our members. You're able to provide a business mailing address with an Hive. This is again for an additional cost, and that way we are able to receive and handle your mail. Then we can forward you the mail if you'd like to on a monthly or weekly basis. So this is another benefit that we provide for our members. My favorite part within Hive, there's a bunch of ways that we throw our events, or you can experience events at Hive. One of them are our hosted events at Hive, and Hive hosted events could look anything like from our lunch and learns or breakfast series or monthly meetup or socials, part of that balance aspect, thinking of doing yogas or other physical sort of places where it's a place where you can meet people and also balance part of your work, going on a walk, and then workshops and boot camps throughout the time that you are a member. We've got monthly meetups within the tiered membership that we have, and then breakfast and lunch series are more specific, more nuanced within industry experts or places where you can share and learn at the same time. And then there's other ways where our members can get involved through collaborating with us. If there's an idea that you have and something that aligns with our pillars and our values, then we'd love to collaborate with you on an event. At the same time, we welcome our members to host their own events and lead their own events or partner events with other members. And that way you're able to use our space, our facility, our venue to host your events. The good thing about having a space for events is also catering. We have bistro on site. So if you're looking for catering options and so on, we're able to provide that as well. Good transition to bistro. A real quick, bistro is our on-site culinary experience. It's our on-site restaurant and cafe within the facility that is at Hive. And we have really delicious lunch and breakfast menu for our members and for the public. Members, core and premium get 5% off on Bistro. And we are also able to do on-site catering for events or off-site as well. And part of the Bistro lobby experience, you can host events, and it's much more convenient for our members. The other good thing is that we have offer other services for our members through our sister company, Elastalink. Yolan mentioned it. Why they provide business communications, telecommunication services to businesses. Our core and premium members do get the ability to use discounts from Elastalink services. Some of them are mentioned on screen, or they can custom tailor whatever requirement your business needs. So this is another benefit that our members do get. And then coming soon, we have a few options that programs that we have a corporate account that we have coming up soon, loyalty programs and membership directory for our members. Stay tuned. We have a few events coming up in the next month or so. Thank you for listening.
Unlock the full potential of networking with the World Referral Network. Are you eager to connect with our esteemed guest speaker and delve deeper into the ever-expanding universe of the World Referral Network? Simply scan the QR code now and embark on a journey of endless opportunities. Join us at East Trade Winds, where we gather online every Tuesday from 8 to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, you're welcome to connect with us and other chapters across the World Referral Network. Seize the moment, register for free, and start exploring today. Fancy sharing your insights as a guest speaker? We're looking for you. Reach out to Wayne Pratt to ignite your speaking journey. Email him at motivateyou.ca or connect with Wayne on LinkedIn. Don't wait. Take action and be a part of a global community that's shaping the future of business networking.